I used to be addicted to the hokey pokey, but then I turned myself around. You're welcome. Here again at the storage unit, unload more stuff.
Hey, I'm gonna carry some stuff too.
She's a great help.
Just like I was
What if I grab that?
time.
Yeah, you definitely could. It's legitimately full.
Oh yeah. It's like first person shooter. I almost tripped.
Where'd you put it? Of course you put it there.
Shut your mouth.
Oh, you're gonna drive me. I'm gonna move it.
I ain't taking your today.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. This is how we've been married for 9 years, because we communicate so well.
Yeah.
Here you go. Here you go, Daddy.
Nice. Thank you. There. So that nothing could ever be stacked on it.
Yeah.
You got that one? Yeah. Want me to grab it?
I loaded all of them in the truck myself, so I'm good.
Good job.
You know, I thought you'd probably stay there because the hose.
Oh yeah, it is perfect because I know what I'm doing.
No, you don't.
I 100% do. I moved like 6,000 times in my life. Freaking gypsy caravan in real life.
Yeah. We'll get to that one, honey. We gotta get these ones out first. You just, no, leave it.
Hey, you're a mouthy old thing. I said, what is that?
Oh, just talking to Sam.
Nice packing.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, where's this one random
I got one random hammer.
pulling things out of a bucket? Oh, she is, Sam, don't.
Oh, is she?
Leave them in the bucket.
It's like, why do I
honey.
have a random hammer
Leave
alone?
them in the bucket. Yeah, I was wondering what the heck's
Cat's
going
paw.
on.
That comes in handy. We'll be looking for that, eh?
we
Where's
go.
that cat's paw? Eh?
Yeah, yeah.
I remember we were looking for that not long ago.
Yeah, it's
Remember?
yeah, it's in that bucket. That's
Earth
funny.
to Ashley.
Yeah. There it is. We'll put it back in the tool bucket.
Yeah.
You just leave that, honey.
That can't be
Probably pretty heavy, eh? Can you pick up that air conditioner?
Yeah.
Right here?
No problem.
Are you crazy?
Ah, you got her. You're sick. Yeah, just put that box over there.
All right.
Yeah, right there. That works. Well,
This was in there too.
another load.
I know, right? We're not done yet.
Ah! Scary. Let's just live in here. We got some stuff in the back, do we?
It's almost all out. I just have one more box. The rest is going to the camper. Leave it open, honey. I'm coming with the heavy box. She locked herself in there.
Last box.
Yeah. Good. Everything feels sturdy.
All right. I was gonna close you in. Is that it?
Yeah, I think so. packed again, and it is so hot today. Oh man, that's gross. It was painful loading stuff in the back there, but got her done. Now we're gonna take it and drop it off and then go to the camper and crank the AC. So good news, the house is officially sold. I know I said the other day it should have all been finalized by the end of the day, and it was. Just letting you know it actually was. It's been a very long and stressful 4 weeks since the offer originally came in on the house. My soul has been nothing but a pain, and it's just been the bank and all sorts of things coming up. But now it's finally officially sold. We've got that final piece of paper, and we have 1 week, less than 1 week, to get out of here. So the pressure is on to find a new location and to get all of our stuff out of here and just kind of start this process all over again. So let's continue packing. Loading up again today. It's so hot today. It's like 30 some degrees. It's gross. I'm going to put all the drawers back in it and then flip it forward so that they can't come out. And then just less space. This will just be a lot easier for transporting it back and forth, taking up less room in my trunk. Or in this box. I guess it's not really a trunk, is it? There, I think the bookshelf will fit in there beside it. And we can just strap it.
What's that down there? That metal thing? Looks like, I think that's from that old chop saw.
Oh yeah.
The, that Hitachi one.
Oh really?
I think, it might not be, but I'm pretty sure. Whoa. The truck a little closer would be nice.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah. But if you hop up and I bend it over to you, I can tip it over if you want. Just go that way.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay, I'm putting it down. Whoa!
Just throwing it down, eh?
I fell. I started to fall. My abs aren't strong anymore.
Maybe in this, so this is up against something. Might be better.
Yeah. And then we'll just pack everything else, everywhere else. Box or something there. I was just gonna put boxes, but.
This here is the only thing I'm worried about.
Yeah.
I think this would be better down flat.
Yeah, we
Put
could.
stuff in it. Just look at that thing, that's gonna come off. There's no way
put that back against the back of the truck.
I just don't want that up high.
Okay.
Because this here's loose, you gotta restaple that. Like we gotta fix it, right?
Yeah.
Or even down like sideways, right? As long as it's just down lower.
Yep.
I just wouldn't want this thing above at all.
Yeah.
Even flat, you know. Wind catches it sideways or something.
Yeah.
Want to grab that other end? Is it too far?
Yeah. Won't close.
No? Oh well, just won't close it.
We can always lift it, right? Like flip it on its back and then just lift it.
I don't think it'll fit in here with that. Turn this.
Oh, it's because I got all the drawers in it. We could just not put the bookshelf in
Just
until
put
we
that up there.
have a shipping container. I need you to help me.
Oh.
Oh, it's on this. Hold on. There.
Can you push it a little further? There you go. Not sure if that's enough room still. Oh, that's enough room, yeah. You want to grab it? Just stand up there or something for a sec. Just hold the bottom. I'm just gonna do this. There. That's not even bad anyway. Just chuck stuff on it.
Yeah.
Or I'll lift it up. Doesn't matter. We'll do something.
Yeah.
We'll probably lift it up. Can lift it now before we throw crap in it.
Yeah.
We'll back the truck up further.
Yeah.
We'll
You mean just stand it up right against that?
No. The tailgate.
Oh.
No, I'm pretty sure this here would be out in the sky if we did that. Your toes out of the way?
Yeah.
That's fine. Doesn't have to be. When we get, you know what I mean, we'll pack better when we get like the big truck.
Yeah. I just have to take these drawers out or tape them then.
Oh, you mean those?
Yeah, because I had it facing there so I could just have it all full. I think this should just...
I think that's just to do it too.
Oh.
Just go back to how we were.
Yeah.
Stupid, stupid, stupid.
All right, just tight, I guess. Yeah, it's all right.
Yeah.
I'll just wrap a ratchet strap around the back there.
Yeah. Very good.
Very good, no way.
There. There, I think
That's pretty good.
yeah. That's safer.
Better than a whole roll of tape.
You're right, that doesn't, and then it rips off instantly on the highway. All the drawers gone, my
Yeah.
underwear is gone.
Oh, that was in there. Yeah, whole underwear drawer in somebody's windshield.
Yeah. It's getting pretty full in here. It started pouring rain and thundering and lightning and stuff on the way in, so gotta get our stuff in quick.
It's filling up now.
Yeah.
That's it
Yeah, that's it. That'll be safe right here.
for now.
For now.
Till we throw more in there.
No, we won't put them on this stuff.
We definitely might have to.
Yeah, we have another unit too, luckily, but oh well. Anyway, that's it's a bit more done, so yeah, happy to have that done. Hopefully we don't get caught in rain the next time. Be packing up probably every day. So now that the house sale's final, we'll just be able to wrap up all our stuff there, get it all moved in here over the next few days, and we can really focus on getting all of our stuff out and in here, and then we can start really focusing on getting a new piece of property as well. So we're gonna get working on that. See you in the next one.